finding hope in the changing world.
Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can change the world. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something fundamental to the human spirit: hope. In a world that feels like it's constantly shifting beneath our feet, where news headlines can be overwhelming and uncertainty seems to be the only constant, where do we find hope? The truth is, hope isn't a static thing. It's not something that we discover and hold on to forever. Instead, it's something that we actively find and cultivate, especially in times of change. Wakel said, and I quote, "Hope is not the conviction that something will turn out well, but the certainty that something makes sense, regardless of how it turns out." Think about it. Every major shift in history, from technological leaps to social movements, has been met with both anxiety and a surge of hope for a better future. Where else can we find this vital hope? Sharing our concerns and working together towards common goals strengthens our collective hope. Furthermore, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding can be a powerful source of hope. Hope is the fuel that drives action, and it starts with us, with young minds, brave hearts, and strong voices. As Martin Luther eloquently put it, we must accept finite disappointment, but we must never lose infinite hope. So, in conclusion, finding hope in a changing world is not about ignoring the challenges we face. Instead, it is about recognizing our capacity for adaptation, cherishing human connection, embracing knowledge, and taking meaningful action. Hope is not a passive emotion, it is an active choice. For it is in these actions, both big and small, that we will continue to find and build a brighter, more helpful future for all. As stated by Barbara Kingsolver, the very least you can do in your life is to find out what you hope for. And the most you can do is live inside that hope. Not admire it from a distance, but live right in it, under its roof. So let's not wait for the world to change. Let's be the change and own the change. Because when the hope lives in us, the world will become a better place. And that's all for me. Thank you.